Guys, Bryce here, 𝐒𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐼𝐻𝐿𝐴.com. Just wanted to invite you to another motorcycle safety tip that we're going to talk about here today, here at Full Throttle. Guys, right here next to me is a Ninja 300. I want to talk some different ways that you can actually maintain visible riding while you're out there. It's not only important for you to be able to see the road, but it's also important for people to see you on the road. And how we can do that is by a couple of these things right here. You have rim tape that's reflective. You have your OEM blinkers, front and in the back. Want to make sure that your brake light works every time you get on your bike in the back, and then also making sure your high beams work with the flashers. It's important, guys, with these flashers, because let's just say we're riding down the freeway and we actually want to overtake a car that has an open space in front of us, so we know we want to get through that space. You actually want to take your bike and actually hit those flashers to signal to that car that you're going to be coming up through that space, just in case, because sometimes your exhaust note, the sound that's coming from your exhaust, is being pushed out behind you, not in front of you. So sometimes that loud exhaust isn't going to save your life when trying to go forward through some traffic. Guys, thanks for joining us here at 𝐒𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐼𝐻𝐿A.com for another motorcycle safety tip right here. We'll see you soon. Bryce out.